Hello everyone, in case you want to try out Shuffle app on TestFlight, what I did, I just googled Shuffle Pinterest TestFlight. Yeah, here you can already see some videos, and then maybe that's the one, but then you will be able just to Google that. No, that's not the one, but there you have it. Here's how it looks like. Shuffles by Pinterest. And yeah, then you can just open it up, and every time you open the app you can also share some screenshots and all of that, but of course you still need the invite code. So it doesn't, if you're using TestFlight, doesn't mean that you can access some version of the app without the invite code. You still need to be invited. Just by using the TestFlight version you will help the developers to better develop this app, and maybe you will have access to some rare features first. So before all these main features are released to all the users, you will have access first. That's usually what happens with TestFlight apps, but maybe you will also have some additional bugs. But yeah, I just googled it. Maybe it's already removed from Google Index or something like that, but definitely give it a try.